Today, I take on my husband. I promise most likely to be faithful to you and to always be with you. And yeah, we fight together against poverty, sickness, and any problem. We do it together as we have been doing all these days, all these months. We fight for each other until we stand here together.
Me, Aki, as your husband, I will promise to take care of you for all of the needs, and I want to protect you for every way is possible. I'm gonna be always on your backside, on your side, and on your front, and I promise for that. And I love you very, very much. And for the things what we have gone through on this months, maybe many of you don't know what we have gone through. But one thing what I want to tell is that if there is no fighting for love, it's not love. So you gotta fight for the love. And I'm gonna fight till the end. I'm gonna fight for you and take care of you every possible way. That's what I promise.
Yes,
Yeah, ready?
I'm ready. Ready for this day.
Wow. First one. Can clap. But it's not only one, it's two. Because the princess always need 2 rings, nah? So there is the second one. Amen! It's tight, so nobody can steal it, nah? Okay, yes. It's the practice.
Wow. This is a happy moment. Now, what next? You may kiss the bride.
Can I kiss?
Yes.
Can I kiss? Yksi vieläkin.
Not enough.
Yksi vielä. Not enough.
You need justice.
Is my lips red now? No. Okay.
Lord bless you and keep you and give you peace. Amen. 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 Wedding day. So the speech that I'm giving here is for my dearest husband who is sitting next to me. So this is for you. Okay? So yeah. Today is such a special day for both of us, and I'm very thrilled to be standing here as a wife to the most amazing man I know. And I want to thank you for everything you have done for me, and I'm very blessed to be your wife. I still remember when I met you in the meeting in Helgi's house. Oh my gosh, I still remember that day. My heart is beating like anything, and I'm so blushing when I saw him. And yeah, I'm very nervous, but he's a very encouraging man, and he supports me, and even right now I'm so blushing.
Took him off,